When it comes to home improvement, especially in places like Brandon, energy efficiency is a top priority for many homeowners. Whether you're upgrading your home's windows or planning a new door installation, one of the best ways to enhance both comfort and savings is by choosing energy-efficient windows. The materials you select for your window frames and doors can significantly impact the insulation, energy efficiency, and overall look of your home. In this article, we'll dive into the different materials available for energy-efficient windows and doors, helping you make an informed choice for your installation in Brandon. Why energy-efficient windows matter in Brandon, where temperatures can swing dramatically between seasons. Energy-efficient windows play a crucial role in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment year-round. High-quality, energy-efficient windows reduce the amount of heat lost in winter and prevent unwanted heat gain in summer. This results in lower energy bills, reduced environmental impact, and a more comfortable living space. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced technologies such as low emissivity, low-E glass coatings, gas fills between panes, and special frame materials that prevent air leakage. When paired with an energy-efficient door installation, they can enhance your home's overall thermal performance. Key materials for energy-efficient windows and doors. When selecting materials for your window and door installation in Brandon, you want to ensure that the materials chosen not only complement your home's aesthetic but also provide the best insulation and energy-saving benefits. Here are the most popular materials for energy-efficient windows and doors. Vinyl windows and doors. Vinyl is one of the most popular materials for energy-efficient windows and doors because it offers a strong combination of durability, low maintenance, and thermal performance. Vinyl frames are known for their insulating properties, which help minimize heat transfer. These frames are often filled with air or foam to enhance their efficiency even further. Additionally, vinyl windows and doors are resistant to moisture, preventing warping and rotting over time. Vinyl is available in a variety of colors and styles, allowing homeowners in Brandon to find a look that matches their home. It's also one of the most cost-effective options, making it ideal for homeowners on a budget without compromising on energy efficiency. Wooden windows and doors. Wood is a classic material that offers natural beauty and strong insulating properties. Wood frames can be highly energy efficient, as they naturally provide good insulation. The combination of wood's density and its natural ability to resist heat flow helps keep homes warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. While wooden windows and doors require more maintenance than vinyl, due to potential for warping or rotting, they can still be an excellent choice for homeowners who prefer a traditional or rustic look for their homes. For added energy efficiency, wooden frames are often fitted with insulated glazing and low emissivity coatings. Fiberglass windows and doors. Fiberglass is a highly durable and energy-efficient material that can withstand extreme weather conditions, making it an excellent choice for homes in Brandon. Fiberglass frames are filled with a foam core that provides superior insulation, helping to regulate your home's temperature and reduce energy costs. Fiberglass windows and doors are also resistant to moisture and won't warp, shrink, or crack over time. They are low maintenance and offer excellent energy performance, though they tend to be more expensive than vinyl or wood options. However, many homeowners find that the investment pays off in long-term energy savings. Aluminum windows and doors. While aluminum windows and doors are known for their strength and sleek design, they are not naturally the best insulators. However, modern aluminum frames are often equipped with a thermal break, a material inserted between the inside and outside portions of the frame, which helps reduce heat transfer and improves energy efficiency. Aluminum windows and doors are highly durable and resistant to the elements. They are perfect for contemporary homes in Brandon or areas where weather can be harsh. Though aluminum is not as energy efficient as vinyl or fiberglass, it can still offer decent thermal performance when properly insulated. Final thoughts. When selecting the right material for your door installation in Brandon, energy-efficient windows should be a top consideration. Whether you choose vinyl, wood, fiberglass, or aluminum, each material offers distinct benefits depending on your budget, aesthetic preferences, and climate needs. As a homeowner, it's important to balance energy efficiency with style and functionality to ensure long-term comfort and savings. Consulting with a local window and door installation expert in Brandon can help you make an informed decision based on your specific needs, ensuring that your new windows and doors provide lasting value and performance for years to come.